What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today I got new tool or a new accessory for working on my car. They are right here, race ramps. I picked these up for, well, basically any car I work on, but especially the M4. Dang, look at that wing, guys. Look at that wing. Got the new shirts here. They are printed on some quality material. Nice soft shirts right here. And I got the E36 stuff on the back. Right here is one of the logos. I got a cool Birdie 31 with Wilbur kind of hanging out of the back. Rest in peace, little dude. And also I have some sweatshirts as well. So those are printed on Champion sweatshirts and they're really high quality, and I know you guys will enjoy them. But let's pop over here and I'll show you what I got. Here they are. Boom. The race ramps. Ooh, that's sick. Okay, I didn't even know it had that. Comes with stickers, most important part right there. But look at these. These are the race ramp blocks. And it is a 12-inch crib. Huge. So let's check that out. Boom. Right there. Throw the stickers somewhere. This is basically what I was using before in a similar fashion. These are just some that I got at Harbor Freight. It only got me up like that much. And I would set my car on these and I liked it. However, if I'm gonna do some other stuff, basically working underneath the car, this is super cool because I can jack up one side of the car, put these two blocks under the side of the wheels. Now I got a lot of access, or I could put these in the front or vice versa. Super lightweight, and they're completely sealed, which is awesome. 1,500 pounds each. I may actually buy 2 more of these. That way I can get underneath the car if I'm gonna change a transmission or something, and it's super easy. These ones, not like that, right? They're open, spider holes, all of that stuff. However, they do the trick and I do really like them. I got one more item over here, which is cool. In order to get a little deal on Race Ramp's website on Black Friday, they had something going and I had to spend a little bit more money. I think these were like 160 or 180. I don't really remember, but I ended up getting this because I needed to add a little bit of dollars to the cart. And this is really nice. Look at this. Ooh, dude. So this is a foam mat, carpet on it too, so I can get underneath the car and work on the ground, and it's super comfy, right? So that is really nice. Look at that. It's embroidered with race ramps on the side. Now the only thing that's kind of going to be a bummer on this is like I could see like grime and stuff getting embedded into that, which, you know, kind of sucks. But I guess I won't use this on like super dirty cars. Like I would use this on, say, the M4 or something like that. You know, the M4 is gonna be nice and clean. I don't have to worry about grime and like actual grease getting on this, which is cool. But I can use this to get on the ground because literally this is one of my like favorite tools right here, which is just a Husky knee pad. That's knee pads and foam, and I throw that on the ground anytime I'm working on my car. Like, it's absolutely the best. I love having a nice little bit of squish when you're working underneath the car. So let's pull out the car, I guess. I'll jack the car up real quick and I'll throw it on these race ramps so you guys can see. Like, these are just those like convenient items. Look at this. So even if I'm working on the side of the car, woohoo, yeah. So I don't even need to be under it to use this, which is super cool. And you know, if I want to get a little closer or whatever, if I want to lay down, hang out, whatever, nice and padded and smooth and that sort of thing. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and jack the car up. We'll use the race ramps real quick, get this video over with so you guys can obviously see what it looks like in action. But yeah, I think they're pretty cool. All right, so this is where it's pretty beneficial. Before, I was probably getting the car at about this height, right? So, boom, kind of get it under. And that's great, and I can set the car on it, right? Which is pretty cool. However, now with these guys, you can see I can get this thing up a lot higher. So, we'll keep going. So this just seems super safe too. Safe way to jack up the car. Guys, freaking look at that. Throwing some 315 beefy boys on there. Sheesh. Look at that. And honestly, at the single point, I'm almost good to do both sides. Might as well, because this chassis is so stiff. I don't even have to jack up the front, which is cool. So I could literally just go like that, and I could drop the car down on here. Look at that. That's pretty dang good. I'm gonna leave the jack under for additional safety if I'm worried about it, but that's not gonna go anywhere, which is awesome. Now, same thing, right? If I wanna go to the other side, I can obviously jack up the other side of the car and get a ton of clearance. But like, look at this, boom. I mean, that's pretty epic. That's pretty nice. And then I'm down on here on my nice little mat. Look at that. I could do all my things. I could do oil change real quick or whatever, but that's how it sits on there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh yeah, so Nane King. Got one to get a peek at those. One track day on these bad boys, but you know. All right, heck yeah, guys. Heck yeah. You guys will be seeing these a lot more on the channel, and I think they're pretty dang cool. That's how they end up looking and working out. Look at that. That's pretty sick, if I do say so myself. Boom. Look at that. Like, that is noise. Look at that. That's freaking sick. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. These are some cool tools that I think you guys would enjoy for stuff. A little racer's mat, some of these cribs. Like I said, I might get 2 more, because if I get 2 more, I go to the other side, I jack the car up, dude, I have clearance for days. You know, obviously if I'm working on suspension components and stuff, like, sure, tire has to come off. Maybe it's not the most ideal thing for that, but I could easily put jack stands on the back and then have this area up pretty high, and it's an easy and safe way to get up there. All right, so just for fun, I'm gonna lower it right here and see actually what happens. We'll put some of the weight off at this spot, and the car should tilt forward once it compresses. Boom. Okay, so we got the weight up there. Now literally that side's in the air. We'll come over here. Look at that, we're just floating. That's cool. Okay, so, you know, we need it to go a little bit higher over here. Oh, just like that, I got both of the race ramps under there. So that is super cool. Look how high this thing is. Look at, you can even see the wing. Oh yeah. But dudes, I am like, boom. I'm under here easy. Literally let the weight off this. Set it down on the cribs. Look at that. So that's so sick. Like, if you have like needing to do a clutch change or something like that, like, oh yeah. Now, mind you, I may be a little bit too low here. So yes, it is putting quite a bit of weight on my front lip. So, you know, I might want to put it on these blocks on the front if I were to do this again, which I would honestly probably do. This was just kind of a test for the video, but yeah, that is sick. Look at that. I love it. That's awesome.